Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. With 11,578 miles, this year's silver metallic 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 2500 HD equipped with automatic transmission could be yours. Contact Bob Brown Chevrolet directly at 866-965-5566. Request more information and set up a test drive right away.